Welcome friends. Today we discuss about two-time red LED blinking error in Sony LCD TVs. Different models having different voltage DC detect method to detect this error regarding a supply voltage abnormal. A very simple technique used in circuit board voltage divider method. In this method require two resistors to design a voltage divider section or circuit. One is on supply line and second one is ground. In a service manual, it is described for main power error regarding power supply board or a main board error. They use two types of power supply, external or internal. External power supply has 19.5 volt and internal power supply has 12 volt for main power. Method to calculate main power reference. Used this simple equation. Calculate V out for reference to detect error in main power section. Sony set has a self-diagnosis system inbuilt in processor. If there is an intermittent error showing set, then check first which section has a problem. Method of entering in self-diagnosis mode is press a standby button first, wait for 5 seconds and then press display 5 volume minus and power on button. The self diagnosis chart is displayed showing 44 times main power error, 2 time blink error code. And second 2 time audio error. In this set intermittently set detect a error from audio section and main power section. Audio section is rarely only 2 times, but a main power section is continuously intermittently 44 times occurs in this set. Now we check the circuitry. Open the set and check main board carefully and closely. It seems rusty or moisturized. This may be a problem, but main thing the feedback reference of main power. Now we check a main power error section. First we check all related voltages on this board for abnormal. All supplies are found okay. Check the error detect area. Main voltage 19.5 volt on this point and error detection, DC detect reference 2.1 voltage seems very stable. 19-volt switch. The main adapter power is switched by this FET is flicker one time. This is the main problem. The set detect a main power abnormally switched. Now it is stable. This abnormal switch 19.5 volts occurs 2 time blinking in most of set. The set running okay sometimes and suddenly goes into 2 time error. To bypass, use a very small part. A precision trimmer type preset register. Value 100K normally used to manage this error bypass. Remove the 19.5 volt detection parts chip register from the PCB. And add this precision register to this selected point. Pre-adjust 2.1 voltage and connect this preset using safe location on the board. The tuner is a very safe location. Connect one pin to directly tuner body to ground point. Simple way to bypass a 2 time error. Now we check different models, how they generate a DC detect and their location. Carefully memorize these locations with a model number or chassis number. Find the model number or chassis and check this location for 2 time DC detect error